Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a look using all City Color cosmetics. First, I'm moisturizing my lips with the Hydro Lip Mask, then I'm priming with the primer oil. This oil is great for dry skin, and I also use it before applying brow pomades because it just helps them glide on so much easier. I'm using the City Color brow pomade in the shade medium brown, and it's actually quite creamy.
Step beyond our door, yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner.
Once I've filled in my brows to my liking, I'm setting them in place with the Be Bold Brow Gel. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Poppin eyeshadow palette. First, I'm applying the terracotta shade called I Can't to the outer V and sweeping it through the crease. These shadows aren't very pigmented, so they do require some work to achieve a good color payoff. Next, I'm adding some depth into the outer V by applying the matte brown shade called Sunday.
Yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again.
Then I'm applying this shimmery berry pink shade called Vibe to the center of the lid. This shade, along with the other shimmer shades, did have a bit of fallout.
I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
Next, I'm applying the shimmery cream shade called Reserved to the inner part of the lid beneath the crease. Now I'm just blending the top of those shimmery shades by applying a bit more of the shades Sunday and I Can't into the crease.
I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
After wiping away the fallout, I'm starting on my face makeup by first applying the Flawless Matte Finish Primer, which helps to reduce the appearance of pores. Then I'm applying 2 pumps of the Be Nude foundation in the shade 101 with a damp beauty sponge. This foundation really surprised me because not only was it my perfect shade, but it also gave a really natural yet flawless finish.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
Now I'm dipping into the Cheek Me Out palette and applying the bronzer. Overall, I really like this palette, and the bronzer is a nice shade for my skin tone without being too warm.
The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world is.
For highlighter, I'm using the City Color Shimmer Highlight, which I've had in my collection for a while now. And then for blush, I'm using the matte pink shade from the Cheek Me Out palette, which gives a lovely color payoff. Next, I'm setting everything in place and melting the powders for a skin-like finish with the Oil Control Matte Setting Spray, which spritzes out a really nice super fine mist. Now moving back to the eyes, I'm applying the mauve shade called Alpha to the lower lash line. Then I'm applying the Be Batty mascara to the top lashes. Next, I'm popping on a pair of the 3D faux mink lashes in the style Steph using the Be Batty lash glue. The lash glue is latex free, vitamin E enriched, and waterproof. Next, I'm applying the Be Batty lower lash mascara to my bottom lashes. This mascara has a really small wand, which makes it possible to coat every single lash.
The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond.
Finally, for lips, I'm applying the Bold Lippie in La Fresh, which has a very nice creamy formula and satin finish.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling, the cityscape.
And that completes this full face of first impressions using all City Color cosmetics. Overall, the foundation was definitely my favorite out of all of the products that I tried. What's your favorite product from City Color Cosmetics? Let me know in the comments below, And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!